Welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. You're probably going to want some help with this project, maybe an extra pair of hands, so let's go to the backyard and let me show you how to do it.
First, you want to set up your form. You can do this in many ways. Be creative and find stuff that you can use around the house or the garage. We stacked buckets on top of each other and then put a large garbage bag over it. You always want to cover it in plastic because you don't want the cement sticking onto something because it won't come off. Next, you want to mix your cement. You want to add enough water so that it smooths out. You don't want any clumps in there, so make sure you mix it really well. Now grab a bucket and throw a towel inside and get it soaking wet. Make sure there are no dry spots. Wring it out really well when you're done. You don't want it to be sopping. Put the towel in your cement mixture, throw some gloves on, and start coating the towel in the cement. Again, you want to cover the entire thing. We made sure to use a towel with a bright color so that we can make sure we covered the whole thing. So don't use a towel that's the same color as your cement. Once your whole towel is covered, you want to take some cooking spray and spray the entire mold you made. This will make it easy for the piece to come off after it's dry. Carefully drape your towel over the mold and make some adjustments so that everything is even, or uneven, whatever you want. We added some more cement to the base so that it would be extra sturdy. If you have extra cement left over, make some stepping stones with it. Wait at least 24 hours or even longer until it's completely dry. Once it is, you'll want to drill a hole in the bottom. Then plant your flowers and enjoy.